In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect additional brand domains in Hubspot. We'll start by heading to Hubspot, open your browser, search for Hubspot, and sign into your portal. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to manage domains. Typically, that means being a super admin or having domain access. Once you're in, look for the settings gear icon near the top of the screen and click it to open your account settings. Inside settings, use the search bar on the left sidebar to look for domain. From the results, select Domain Manager. This is where all your connected domains live and where you'll add the new brand domain. Click Connect a Domain to begin. HubSpot will walk you through a guided flow. When prompted, enter the new domain or subdomain you want to use, such as a branded subdomain or an additional website domain for your organization. Type it exactly as you intend to use it, then click. Next, to continue, you'll see an option to enable automatic redirects. Turn this on if you want visitors who arrive at one version of your address to be sent to your preferred version automatically. For example, this can help consolidate traffic from alternate versions of your domain so visitors always land where you want them. After enabling it, you'll be asked to specify the redirect from address. Enter the domain or subdomain you want to redirect from, then click Next. At this point, HubSpot will confirm that you're ready to set up hosting for the connected domain. This step is important because connecting hosting to HubSpot means HubSpot will serve the content for that domain. You'll see a clear warning explaining that changing these settings can take any non-HubSpot content on the affected addresses offline. Review this carefully. If your current website or files are still hosted elsewhere, be sure you're ready to move them. It's a good idea to plan the change during a low traffic window and ensure you have backups and stakeholder approval. When you're comfortable proceeding, acknowledge the warning by clicking I understand. Next, click Verify. HubSpot will check your configuration and may guide you through any remaining setup needed on your domain provider's side. Verification and SSL provisioning can take a bit of time, so don't worry if it doesn't complete instantly. You can keep this page open or return to it later to see the status. Once verification succeeds, your additional brand domain will be connected in HubSpot. From there, you can publish content to it and rely on the redirect settings you configured to streamline your visitors' experience.